In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Jira bug tracking system effectively. Jira is a powerful tool that helps you manage bug fixes and other software development issues with ease. Our goal today is to demystify the process of setting up and using Jira to ensure you and your team can streamline your workflow and increase productivity. First, we'll start by logging into your Jira site. This is your central hub where you'll manage all the tasks related to your projects. Once you're logged in, look for the plus button next to projects. Clicking this button allows you to create a new project, which is the foundation for organizing your work in Jira. When you create your project, you'll be prompted to choose a template. For bug tracking, the software development template with a focus on bug tracking is ideal. This template provides features tailored specifically for identifying, organizing, and resolving bugs efficiently. After choosing your template, it's important to give your project a meaningful name and key. The name should accurately reflect the nature of your project, while the key helps to identify it within Jira. Once you're satisfied with these details, click on Create Project to bring it to life. Now that your project is set up, you have the option to invite teammates to collaborate with you. This can be done right away, or if you're not ready, you can skip it for now and come back to invite members later. With your project ready to go, it's time to dive into creating and managing issues, which in this context refers to bugs. To create a new issue, click the Create button. Here, you'll select the type of issue you're facing, such as a bug, which ensures all team members are on the same page regarding what needs to be fixed. Next, provide a brief summary and description of the issue, including crucial details like the affected version, severity of the issue, and who should be assigned to fix it. Assigning the bug to a team member clarifies responsibilities and helps facilitate prompt action. Prioritizing your bugs is vital for effective triage. Use custom fields to rank bugs by priority level, such as high, medium, or low. This helps the team focus on the most critical issues first, ensuring that the most severe problems are addressed swiftly. As issues progress, Jira allows you to track them as they move through various stages of the workflow. This visibility is key to maintaining momentum and keeping all team members informed. The commenting feature within issues is another invaluable tool, allowing you to communicate and provide updates directly within Jira, enhancing collaboration and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. This concludes our overview of setting up and navigating the Jira bug tracking system. With practice, you'll find Jira becomes an indispensable part of your development toolkit, supporting seamless coordination and effective issue management. Thanks for watching, and happy bug tracking.